There are moments in life that define you, who you are, and your worth. Today, we are going to discover my worth as a plumber. So what I've done is replace the faucet in the galley, hot to the hot, cold to the cold. I've replaced the drainage hoses only on one side of the sink because on the other side I have some curing to do with a fitting still, so that needs to wait 72 hours, where we're going to see if all the connections that I've done and the hoses that I've installed are working correctly. So we're going to pressure up the system. Here's the validation coming up. Forward pump on. Do 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 do. Water on. Okay, I'm gonna let the water accumulate in here. Pressure up my drain. Okay, so everything's dry in here. My connections are okay there. This is all backed up. So now I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna open up this valve because nothing's leaking here. Open up this valve. And that, my friends, is the sound of the drainage hose working properly. So, there we are. I'm now officially an amateur plumber. Stay tuned, stay salty, and we'll be back with more maintenance from the wild.